What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're going to do the 3-spot giveaway and the box giveaway because I'm just so freaking nice. For cup number 2, perfect. I'll go live. 359, 359. So this is for the box giveaway. We're going to go 3 times. Person on top after 3 will win the box. 1, 2, and 3. Big Keith, you get the free box of Series 1. And Keith, let's see if you double dip. We got Jace and Keith for the 3-spot. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Uh-oh, is he going to go for the sweep? 3. He does. Keith, it's a good way to start the day, man. Do one last timestamp. Done. And we are done at 4. It is 4. Congrats, guys. Or Keith, not guys.